As the sun dips low on the horizon, casting long shadows across the open road, I find myself drawn to the timeless allure of the ride. The freedom, the exhilaration, the sheer joy of exploration. In the quiet moments before the journey begins, I'm reminded of the profound beauty found in the details. The subtle hum of the engine as it awakens beneath me. For me, photography isn't just a hobby, it's a lifelong love affair. A means of capturing the essence of the world as I see it, one frame at a time. And with each piece of gear securely nestled within the confines of the Vikingbags, I'm ready to embark on another chapter of the adventure. Among the essentials of my journey stand the Vikingbags, leather saddlebag, and tool bag set. Crafted with a blend of artistry and practicality, these companions effortlessly become part of the ride. Their sleek, unassuming design belies their true nature, not just accessories, but silent partners in every mile, seamlessly integrating into the rhythm of the road, ready to adapt to the twists and turns of the journey. As the miles stretch out before me, I'm reminded of the transformative power of the open road, the way it beckons us to leave behind the worries of the world and embrace the boundless freedom of the ride. And amidst the breathtaking vistas and winding mountain passes, the Vikingbags stand as a steadfast guardians of my gear, ensuring that every moment of the journey is captured in stunning clarity. Through rain or shine, rough terrain, or smooth asphalt, the Vikingbags have proven themselves time and time again, a testament to their unwavering reliability and exceptional craftsmanship. So as the day fades into night and the road stretches out before me, I take solace in the knowledge that with the Vikingbags by my side, every adventure is not just a journey. It's a story waiting to be told, one frame at a time.